So thanks for an engaging and enriching training. It's great to have conversations where we challenge the status quo and to have the sufficient information to build the use cases and to understand why there's a better alternative to some of the practices. For me, that's definitely going to be useful for the conversations I'm having with the customers I'm consulting with, and that's I'm advising. And it's great to meet an interesting group of people. Hopefully one day we're going to meet digitally or in person. And thanks for getting us together and for the knowledge. Thank you.